Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into GTA Online and confirming your connection. A stable NAT and low ping keep invites reliable. Once logged, open the social club overlay and make sure your friends list is visible so you can scan who's online. Next, set the session privacy to open or invite depending on how public you want invites to be. While you're doing that, draft a short, friendly invite message. Concise invites get faster responses and reduce confusion when players join. Now move into active searching. Open the player list and filter by recent interactions or proximity so you focus on likely cooperative players. At the same time, browse social club crews and platform communities to spot regulars who match your playstyle. Joining a crew speeds trust and repeat sessions. After identifying targets, send a short targeted invite and follow up with a ping or emote to indicate you want to team up. This clarifies intent and increases positive responses versus blind invites. Once you have willing players, lock roles quickly. Choose a leader, drivers, and support so everyone knows what to do. Then move into an invite-only session to test group chemistry with a short practice job. Make sure voice or text comms are working and adjust roles if needed. If invites or joins fail, troubleshoot by checking NAT type, platform privacy settings, and rebooting the game or console. Often a simple restart or toggling network settings resolves connection hiccups and gets your crew stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.